juicy chicken, just out of the world. I love chicken 65 and there are many variations of chicken 65, biryanis and all that we did. Usually what we do is with the leftover chicken 65, we make a quick fix chicken 65 fried rice. It is going to be super tasty when you add some crispy onions to it and flavor it up. The chicken 65 along with this rice. Hello, Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Vahchef, and today we are going to make chicken 65 fried rice. As I told you, leftover chicken 65 is used, but we will make it fresh. So for that, all we do, take chicken pieces, boneless. Of course, most of it I am going to eat it like chicken 65, but for you guys, I am going to show it fried rice, okay? In this, add a little bit of coriander powder, some cumin powder, chilli powder, add some chilli sauce. For this kind of fried rices and all that, the chilli sauce flavor will add that sweetness and that sourness. In this, add a little bit of crushed pepper, ginger garlic paste, and mix these chicken pieces, marinate it well. And if you want, you can add a little red color. A little extra red color was there. In this, add 1 spoon of all-purpose flour, 1 spoon of cornstarch, mix it. What you have to do is add some water, then add some oil. With this, you will be able to fry these chicken pieces much more easily. Add right amount of salt, mix it, and usually when you fry these things, rest it for 2 hours, then chicken will be nice and tender. Another thing what I love to add in this thing is finely chopped curry leaf. Do not add too much, otherwise it will discolor the oil also. Fry these chicken pieces till they are nicely fried, then cut them into small pieces. That's when that will be perfect for your fried rice. For this, never over fry. Keep the chicken a little bit softer. That's when it's good for your fried rice. This is exactly the way the street vendors do it. Usually what we do in the hotels, we add a little extra oil and we kind of make the wok non-stick and remove the excess oil. We keep some oil there. Later, if you need hot oil is always ready, we can add to this. In this, you can add an egg. And then I usually prefer to add onions also on the side. Let this onions saute along with this. Whatever in the extra oil, add garlic, ginger, some spring onion. Scramble this. The pan is kind of non-sticky, so nothing is sticking at the bottom. Look at it. In this, we're going to add the chicken 65 small pieces. Along with that, saute. Now we have to bring the additional flavors. The pan is always removed from the flame, added to the flame. That way, you can control how much heat or how much you need to do. So once this is done, I'm going to add salt, add little, because I'm going to add some soya sauce, some chili sauce. Nothing to worry, nothing is going to get burned. The pan is away from the flame. In between, add some crushed pepper or pepper powder, some green chilies also if you want. In this, add rice. So most of the street vendors, they do this, add a little more salt to this. You want to heat till the rice is also nicely heated up. The chicken being red, you can easily see how it gets the color. Also add a little bit of flavoring salt and a little bit of vinegar. Just toss it. Fried rice is ready. The chicken 65. The rice is also nice and hot. In my life, I was never a wok chef. That means I have never full-time worked in a Chinese kitchen, but I worked on and off always. I need to check the salt, but the regular wok chefs, they know how much to add. So, by accident, perfect. So this is good. Especially, these kind of fried rices are excellent, especially when kids come back to home from the school. That time, make very little fried rice and give it to them. They eat, they have full energy, they can go play around, they can actually read, do their homeworks, everything. The chicken 65 wok egg fried rice is ready, so let's serve this. The whole idea is to make something nice, tangy, and full flavorful. The chicken 65 along with this rice. Sometimes I like fried rice more than the biryani, and especially when it is made like this. These ones have crunch and everything, but once this cool down, you cannot enjoy this. A biryani you can read and do it, but this one, when you make it fresh, eat it right away, that's when you enjoy the most. And this nice umami flavor. Good God. The fresh ginger, the garlic, the crunchy spring onion, the regular onion, everything makes this just out of the world. Dear friends, all I tell you is make different kind of foods every day. Every day enjoy best of the best food. That is when you will say Vareva. Keep cooking, enjoy, and the juicy chicken just out of the world. Watch another Wow Magic with Chef Mani.